Hello, mayong gabi sa ato ang tanan. Thank you sa mga nana diri karon and hopefully naka-take na mo sa inyong dinner no kay alas 8 na jud in punto. Na? Anyway, please inform your team that the Zoom room is already open. Basin doon na sila yung mga invited guests for tonight and hopefully they will not be late on our presentation. Okay? So, I would like to thank those who are early tonight, sina si Chris, sina DPPI GMS, sina Justin, uh, si Maricel, and also to Sheila, no? Sheila Iscasinas. Thank you for uh, being early tonight, no? Thank you so much. But anyway, before we dive into our featured presentation for tonight, I would just like to announce some few important reminders. Tomorrow here in Cebu, we have a PKS in Contempo Properties. This is the maker of Bamboo Bay and Ashana. So it will be held in their office in Hernan Cortez. No, so you may want to catch up with the schedule. Then on Friday night, we have a training session with our broker, Ms. Novelin Alcover, at 8 o'clock. You will be using the same Zoom link, no? So please take note of that. It would be nice and it would be best if maka-attend gyud ta og training from time to time. Kay usahay, ma-demotivate sad biya ta kung dili ta ka-attend og training. Then on Sunday, this is for the katong mga new partners. You will have your onboarding session this coming Sunday at 8 p.m. in the evening, and that is also via Zoom. Then all regular schedules NATO for recruitment is still every Tuesday and every Thursday, and that is at 8 p.m. That is at 8 p.m. No, so most likely I will still be your host for the recruitment, and I really look forward. You will be inviting your friends together with us here. So additional greetings lang. No, would like to thank Mel Berdan, who's also joining with us tonight. Sina Mai Bando, no, also joining with us tonight. Thank you very much for being here, no. So anyway, dili na nako ta mula ngayon, no. I would like to start with our presentation. Now, to begin with, I would like to introduce myself. I am Joffrin Villasencio, and I will be your host for tonight. I've been in the business for quite a long time already. I've been doing the business since 2011, 11 or 12, somewhere in that area. So medyo dugay-dugay na, no? I've been doing the business since then and up to today. And uh, what else? I've been conducting training at the same time here in the 818, and also from of course the others, because it's part of my job as well, no. So kana no, I've been quite long already in the industry, so hopefully we will be able to kuan to keep in touch with magkakita-kita ta personally, and I really would love to have a short chit chat with you. You can pay us a visit in our office. Okay, so let's start. The company that I would like to introduce sa inyo ha is the 818 Premier Properties Incorporated. In here, in the 818, we offer a premier service. No? We offer not just a premier service, but a premier properties. And the reason why, because we have a premier you. No, kamo. Each and every one of us are premier, no, primado, in everything what we are doing in here. Now, the company was established way back July 29, 2019, here in the city of Lapu-Lapu. And right on your screen our legal papers. No, you have here the Securities and Exchange Commission, the BIR registration, of course, the business permit, and the governing agency that oversees, no, the real estate industry, no less than DHSUD. So you may take a screenshot because you might be needing that eventually, no, if there are people who's going to be asking for the legal papers. Now, behind the company, I would like to introduce each and every one of you to the management team of the company, headed by no less than our managing broker, Mr. Hermenegildo B. Roylo. Commonly, ang among tawag din sa iya Sir Boy, no? If you happen to hear that name, mao ni siya ang person. Si Sir Boy is not just a real estate broker, at the same time, he is a certified public accountant, helping with Sir Boy in the management of the business. And these are the people who are very instrumental to the growth of our business. You have here Miss Nobelin Alcober, real estate broker. You have Van Allen Osaraga, real estate broker. Jonali Rose Ang, real estate broker. Vida Dorde, real estate broker. And of course, Maricel A. Sungahid, real estate broker. Together, the six of them helps us grow in our individual career and helps this company grow as well. Now, D818 Premier Properties Incorporated was named, no, and taken from a Bible verse in Deuteronomy chapter 8 verse 18, and it says there that you shall remember the Lord your God, for it is God who gives you the ability to get wealth, that he may confirm his covenant that he swore to your fathers as it is this day. In here, we believe that all of the giftings we have are not just merely acquired by us, but it is a gift given from above. No? If with proper training and proper exposure, kini nga mga gift, mugawas ra ni siya o magamit nato sa tuang pagpanginabuhi. Now, the vision, no, this is the vision of the company. The vision of the company is to be the premier realty firm. And how are we going to be known for that? Because of innovation, excellence, and empowering our people. We believe that in this current generation, we have to embrace new ideas and, of course, forward-thinking solution, especially nowadays that we are already in the World Wide Web, so that in this way we will be able to give more value to our clients. No? Of course, excellence. We are committed to the highest standards na sa tanan natong pagabuhaton dire, makliyente man nato or mga partners pa nato, we will give the most excellent service that we can give. And lastly, we will empower people, everyone in our organization to grow, to lead, and be able to achieve their fullest potential here in the 818. And how are we going to achieve that? Of course, by our mission. Our mission is to honor God by upholding professionalism, building lasting relationship, embracing technology, and empowering people through training. In this way, we will be able to achieve to become the premier realty firm. And D818, for every D818 members, we will be marked, we will be identified. This will be our DNA, our core values. Everyone na mga tao na dito sa gawas, the moment makakita sila og usa ka DPPI member, dapat pag makita nila sa usa ka DPPI member na disiplinado, kana makaingon sila na kana DPPI na. Passionate, kana DPPI na. Persevering, mula hutay, no? Dili basta-basta matinag og mga pagsuway, DPPI na siya. May integridad, DPPI na siya. Now, I will not dig much deeper into the core values because we have a separate training for that. I just want you to understand that these core values, discipline, passion, perseverance, integrity, helps us focus on what are the things that we're going to do. It will help us be united. We will be able to excel in everything that what we are going to do because of these values. And because we are giving these values to those people, to the client, to the partners, people trust us. Always remember, strong values always create a stronger team. And stronger team creates a greater impact. Okay? Now, unsa man ni akong giapilan ron nga orientation, no? Now, for everybody's benefit, you are attending a real estate business orientation. Right now, each and every one of you, I would like to make it clear that this is a business. This is not employment. You are not here for an interview. This is a business. So, what's real estate? Real estate, in simple definition, is that anything that is attached to the land, ma-subdivision man, ma-condominium man, ma-commercial complexes man, ma-arcade man, ma-mall, those are part of real estate. Even, no, kining mga itawag na to memorial gardens, mga sementeryo, they form part of the real estate industry or the real estate business. Pero the question actually is, sa kadaghan-daghan nga negosyo na available sa gawas, nganong ari man ko sa real estate mo apil? Nganong ari man ko sa real estate mo join? Nganong dili naman lang ko mag-avon? Nganong dili naman lang ko mag-trial? Or tiba kaha, mo apil na lang ko og network marketing? Nganong real estate man? Now, let me share you these four reasons. Now, this is actually my personal reason, and I believe na we share in these thoughts, no? Now, why being real estate agentpreneur is a good business? Number one, you can start here from low to zero capital, almost nothing, no? But even if from low to zero capital, you will have a potential high earnings and aning a business. Ikaduha, you will have time freedom and flexibility. Ikaw ang mag-manage mo kaugalingong time. Oh, sorry. Ikaw ang mag-arrange, ikaw mag-set sa imong schedule, very flexible, no? You are your own boss in here. The third one is that in real estate, you have the ability and the potential to have an unlimited growth and of course expansion. Now, in any form of businesses, pag wala gani siya kapasidad na mo grow, mo expand, ang tawagan na nato scalability. Kung dili gani ka ka-scale up sa imuhang business, meaning that business will never grow. Meaning magpabilin lang yun siya diha dapita kay di man ka maka-scale. The good thing with the DPPI business or the real estate business we have is that you can expand your business over Luzon, other parts of the Visayas and Mindanao, anywhere as long as there is a real estate project in the area, you will be able to expand your business. And how are you going to do that? You are going to build your team. The reason why you are here tonight is because someone had invited you to the team. And welcome to the team. Okay? And lastly, the reason why I chose to become a real estate agentpreneur is because this is a business that has a purpose. And that purpose will be able to impact other people's lives. In here, my greatest desire is to be able to impact and be the cause of change in lives in other people. We will be able to make a difference sa ilang kinabuhi. Makasugat ka ag tao na nawad-an og hope, but because of the business that you offer, probably magka-hope siya. No? And these four reasons why I chose to do the real estate business. In here, you will have the chance to build freedom, chance to create wealth, and be able to impact other people's lives. So this is the reason na nganong atong i-chose. Now, way back June 29, 2009, ang atong gobyerno regulated kini nga industry. Nakita nila na naay growth, and in that time nag-enact sila og usa ka balaod mo ning Republic Act number 9646 or the Real Estate Service Act. Nagaingon din na the industry will now be regulated by Professional Regulatory Board, PRC, of the real estate service, meaning tanan karon na maka-practice of real estate has to be a professional. Na? And how it is defined? Number one, you have to take up a 4-year degree bachelor's course kanang real estate management. After you take the board exam, and if you pass, you become a broker. Now, the question karon mangutana ka nato tanan dinhi. Now, Jeff, unsaon man ni siya na wala ra ba ko ka eskwela aning real estate management? And more so, wa pa jud ko kahuman og college. Unsa may mahitabo ani pero ganahan man kay ko aning nga business. Now, the law is very fair, no? Doon na siya provision dito ang Section 32 of the Republic Act 9646. This is the corporate practice of the real estate service, and this is the reason why there are so many realty firm outside. Nakadungog naman siguro mo anang word nga realty firms, no? Because of this provision, no? Tungod ani nga provision, nagkadaghan ang mga realty firm na nag-exist. So unsa may naa ani nga provision? Ang naa ani nga provision, it says here that a corporation that is registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission and with a duly registered real estate broker can engage in the real estate service. So meaning this form part of an agency. Meaning ikaw o ako, the moment we do business in here, we will be doing business under the licenses of the agency or the firm. Okay? I, for one, your host, I am not a real estate broker nor a real estate salesperson, but I've been in the business quite longer already because when I had clients in the past, I transact business under the licenses of the 818 Premier Properties Incorporated. Okay, so ikaw karon na naa dinhi, swak, shoot na kaani dinhi. Okay? Now, unsa man kadako ang real estate industry sa Philippines. Now, you will be shocked because the real estate industry in the Philippines, it's already a 5.6 trillion pesos. Abi nimo, in the middle of, I mean, kung mabantayan nimo, the 818 started July 29, 2019. That is exactly 6 months before the onset of pandemic. But during the pandemic, the industry never stops. All other stores ni Honong, but the industry never stops. In fact, it even grew during the pandemic period. Even at that time, nagrabi atong crisis ni agi patag udet, ba atong recent na baha, tino, you know what? The industry never stops and it continues to grow. Now, we are already at 5.6 trillion. So may significance na. Now, kung ikaw mo join kag usa ka business, you have to make it sure na ang imong gisudlan nga negosyo dili palubog. Di ba? You have to make it sure that the industry na imong gisudlan pasaka. Or else, kung palubog ang imong sudlan nga negosyo, then it's only a matter of time na manira ka. But since ang industry is very much growing, can you just imagine na lang, kung makakuha lang kag portion sa 5.6 trillion pesos, that will still end up millions of pesos. So ingon ana kadako ang ato ang potential. Okay? So the question right now is, unsaon na to pagsugod? But before I dive into that discussion, I would like to ask the golden question. No, I usually ask this. Ako ni siyang ginapangutana because I am curious, no, na mahibaw kung unsa gyud ang rason. Bisag kinsa nga tao na akong pangutanon, ganahan gyud magnegosyo. Bisan kinsa. Daghan gani ang mga himo ni gihimo nga mga statement na walay madato sa panabaho, negosyo ra, magnegosyo ko kay maka-enjoy ko sa akong time, unlimited ang akong income. Pero ang akong dako kayo nga question, kung ingon ana kanindot ang negosyo, nganong daghan mang tao na mahadlok mo sugod og negosyo. Now, gusto ko mangayo sa inyohang opinion. Um, pwede ba ma-share ninyo? Pwede ninyo i-type diha sa chat box. Nganong, kung ingon ana kanindot ang negosyo, nganong daghan man ang tao na ofera nimo sa negosyo, dili siya mubuhat, dili siya mo-appeal, or nevertheless, dili siya magka-interest, pero gusto, ganahan siya sa thought na magnegosyo. Unsa man ang rason na nganong nagpanagana siya, nagpanuko siya. Ningon si Chris, mahadlok mo risk. Ang uban, unsay reason ka sa uban? Can you share, walay right and wrong ani, we just We just wanna know kung unsa ang naa sa imong mind. Kaya atong himayon, no? Atong himayon. Aside from Chris, anybody would like to share their thoughts and idea? Hello? And si Justin, no? Takot malugi. Yan, takot malugi. Si DPPIGMS, ningon siya wala siya puhunan pero makapag-start og negosyo. Puhunan, okay? Uh, Sir Franco, good morning Sir Franco. Lack of knowledge, no? From Dumaguete, by the way. What else? Unsa pay uban ato diha nga mga ideas na gawas ani, no? Kay ato ning tagsa-tagsaon og answer. Anybody? We are 18 in the Zoom room. Kung wala ko'y appeal, 17. Okay? Si Sarah, ningon siya mahadlok ko na mamaligya kay basin dili ko kahalin kay millions ang prize. Si Mel, ningon siya walay puhunan. Uh, what else? Kaya ato siyang tubagon because unless dili siya ma-clear sa atong mind, everything will be hesitant na mo try og business or even do it. Okay? Si Miss Maricel, fear of leaving stability, no? By the way, Miss Maricel Sungahid is our broker, no? You might as well greet her on the chat box, no? So, fear of leaving stability. Kay naanad bang ka na kay sweldo 15-30, yung mahadlo ka na inig magnegosyo ka, mawala ng 15-30. Okay? Makes sense, no? Because I feel the same when I started also. That kind of fear, no? So, ako siyang himay-himayon ha, tagsa-tagsa. Si Chris, ningon siya, mahadlok mo risk. Now, if you remember, earlier, niingon ta na this is a business na pwede nimo sugdan from low to zero capital or from zero to low capital. Now, kung wala kay kwarta nga gibutang, the question is, asa man ang risk? Wala man kay kwartang gibutang. The only time na dunay risk, kung doon na kay kwarta nga gibutang, kay mawala man na, malakansi man na. No? Gone with the wind, di ba? So meaning, if there is no money that is been placed diha ana nga business, there's nothing to risk at all. Kaya wala man kay gibutang diha except for your time and effort actually. But kaning time and effort man go, dili na nato siya kwintahon because we always give that whether manrabaho ka or magnegosyo ka. Okay? So si Justin ingon sa siya takot malugi. Well, I can only say na mahadlo ka malakansi or takot ka malugi if do na kay capital or kwarta na gipuhunan. Am I right? So if wala kay kwarta na gipuhunan or money that you put in as a capital, then there's nothing to worry about lugi because it will never happen. Kaya wala man kay gibutang na kwarta, so dili jud ka malugi. And for that, the DPPI business is check again. Naningon si DPPI GMS, ningon siya, wala siya puhunan para makapag-start og negosyo. Well, sa gingon pa nako ganina, in DPPI business, you can start from zero to low capital, but with a high return. So, the problem na walay puhunan is already been solved. Right? Now, si Sir Franco, ningon siya lack of knowledge. Now, in the D818 business, we have so much training that, in fact, earlier, pagsugod, nag-aimo kong announcement. Okay. Now, akong i-recap ang announcement. Tomorrow, we will have a PKS with Contempo Properties. In the evening, at 8 o'clock, we have a training. Will be handled by our broker, Novelin Alcover. That's 8 o'clock tomorrow, Friday. And on Sunday, 8 o'clock, via Zoom, another onboarding session by Miss Novelin Alcover. Aside from that, doon na tayo every Tuesday and Thursday, which is the business orientation kining atong gibuhat karon. And aside from that, there are so many training almost practically every day. Now, kung knowledge lang ang hisgutan, there are so many available training and seminars. Well, the question here, ikaw, mo appeal ba ka or dili. Kaya kung mo-appeal ka, then you have the knowledge already. Di ba? Bisan pagbalik-baliko ni mo na kada semana. So sa kini nga punto, I think, solved na ta. Di ba? Si Sarah Subosa, ningon siya, mahadlok ko mamaligya kay basin dili ko makahalin kay millions ang price. Number one, mauna ang purpose na dunay training. Okay? Ang training para matudluan ka unsaon nimo pagbaligya. And based sa akong personal experience, in real estate, dili kay kakinahanglan og daghan nga sales talk. Ang importante sa real estate naa kay sakto nga information. Mao na pinaka-importante. Kay bisag maayo pa ka mamaba, and if you don't have the information, walay. Okay? Ikaduha nga tubag na ko ana, nganong mahadlok man ka na di ka makahalin na in the first place dili man ikaw ang mubayad. Ang kliyente man ang mubayad. So ang kanang imong gibaligya nga balay adto na siya i-offer sa maka-afford mo palit. Di man na nimo siya i-offer ngadto sa tao na nagpuyo sa squatter na walay trabaho. Adto ginani mo definitely i-offer to the person na dunay kapasidad. Tama? Yan. So sa anong dapita? Solve na, DPPI business. Si Mel, lingon siya walay puhunan. O, ako na na-share ganina. Dili kinahanglan nimo diri. Now, si Maricel, lingon siya na fear of living stability. Now, I am not in, I was once unemployed. The fear is real. Okay? I'm not gonna deny it. There are days that I'm really afraid of it. But I always ask the question, if I am not going to do something different today, would the kind of life that I have would change? Then definitely the answer is no. Sabi ni Saya pa, kung wala ko'y buhaton nga lahi karon, ang sitwasyon sa akong kinabuhi in the future, the same ra gihapon. So my suggestion, if you have that fear, is this. Start part-time with the intention of going full-time. Right? I started part-time with an intention of going full-time. A lot of us in here started part-time with an intention of going full-time. What's the point? The point here is this. The moment your income levels off that of your salary, something na you need to think, pwede na ko mag full-time ani. Kay kung mag full-time ko, mas dako ang ako ang pwedeng kitaon kay mas daghan ang akong pabuhat. That's how are you going to do that? Okay? Ingon si Sir Franco, dili ganahan mo out sa comfort zone. Ingon si Chinkitan at one time, when I had my personal conversation sa iya, kini daw ko nung sweldo, mura ko nig shabu, maka-addict. Unya, the more ka mahimong addict, madugay ko no mag-hallucinate ka. Mama ng addict, no? Mag-hallucination. Madugay ko no, dawat na tong sweldo, mura ko no siya ma-addict ta, kay ganahan ta, magbalik-balik nga to sa ATM every 15 or 30. Unya, nagtuo ta, nag-hallucinate ta na inig-withdraw na to sa ATM, doon na pa'y sobra mahabilin. Wala na di ay. I remember before, nang akong ATM taon, gipagwardyahan na prinda kay nag-loan lagi. No? And that's exactly my point. You can start part-time. Don't worry about it. You can start part-time but with an intention of becoming full-time. Okay? So I think after answering all the questions that have been raised, I can conclude that the D818 business opportunity is the best opportunity there is. Di ba? After answering all of those questions that you have raised, I therefore conclude na ang D818 business opportunity is the best business there is. No? Because you can do this right at your own convenient time. Okay? Well, lack of knowledge. Ang ingon pa nako ganina, we have so much training in here. The question is, mo attend ba ka? That's the question. Because if you will not going to attend, I can only do so much. Okay? So let's begin. So what are the things that you're going to do here? In here, these are just four things na pabalik-balik na to ginabuhat. And you've got to make yourself available, Aninia. Number one, let's begin with PKS. What is PKS? PKS is Project Knowledge Seminar. This is where you get all the knowledge about the project. Kinakandak ani ang developers. This is available offline and online. Pag maingon tag offline, that is face-to-face. Pag maingon tag online, that is via Zoom. Now, the question again, sa ako panggingon, mo-appeal ba ka? Eh kung dili ka mo-appeal, I cannot do anything about it. Okay? Second is site tour. Now, if there's one fundamental na ako jung iistorya ninyo, it is totally impossible na makahalin ka sa usa ka property na ikaw mismo wala ka kakakita. Doon naman tay mga existing real estate agent dinhi. Will you mo agree ba mo nako na kung dili mo kakita sa mao nga property, lisod siya ibaligya? Or makauulaw na ikaw mismo wala ka toltol? Kinsa may mo agree diha be katong mga sellers na nato dinhi? Would mo agree ba mo nako na if wala ka kakita sa mao nga project, it is totally difficult for you to sell that project? Ayun sila, yes, agreed, definitely, no? Lisod kaayo, lisod jud, no? So you have to make yourself available on site tour. There are so many schedule about site tour. In fact, tomorrow after the PKS do na site tour diretso, so you have to make yourself available. Then training. Daghan kay tag training kita develop kita diri sa realty nagakandak og training, ang developer nagakandak og training, and there are so many training that is available. In fact, ang atoang training dinhi sa D818 naka-store diha sa YouTube. You just have to go inside the YouTube, the official DPPI YouTube channel, and you listen to the trainings even before gikan pa pagsugod pertinent daghanang videos diha, no? So meaning you just have to spend time learning. Nya kanha nga butang maunay butang na dili nako mahimo kun dili ikaw gyud mismo ang mobuhat ana. And the last one is events. Daghan ang mga events na gina-organize sa mga developers. Ang reason o ang purpose ana para ma-encourage ta, para ma-motivate ta. Then again, I'll say this to you. Come and join when there are invitations. So these are the four things na balik-balik na to ginabuhat day in and day out. Halos apil na sa ato ang gininhawa. Okay? So, unsa man ang imong buhaton na when you have that four? Well, we begin with selling. Okay? Now, wala pa ko'y nakitaan nga negosyo na wala mag-involve og selling. All of the businesses really involves selling. Kaya kung doon na mag-offer nimo nga og negosyo niya, moingon siya na walay baligya diha, ayaw nag-appeal diha kay scam na siya. Nya dako ang posibilidad na one day you will be scam. So, unsa may reward nimo if you are going to do selling? Now, the good news is this. In D818, ang pinakagamay na pwede nimong kitaon is 25,000. Again, usbon ako. Sa D818 business, ang pinakagamay nimo na pwedeng kitaon is 25,000 pesos. That is equivalent to 2.5% of 1 million peso nga sale. In here, kung kugihan ka, you will be able to increase your earning from millions to unlimited simply by selling project properties. Now, tanawa ha, kung ang pinakagamay nga income nimo kung mamaligya ka dinhi is 25,000, ang 25,000 that is a salary above the minimum wage. So therefore, kung makahalin kag usa, ang imong kita sa isa ka buwan sobra pa sa minimum wage. So how much more kung mukayod ka pag-ayo? Kung mukayod ka pag-ayo, you will be able to look at this opportunity na hala, pwede dahin nako ni siyang padakon ang akong income. Note that your rate in here varies depending on your possession. You start at 2.5% all the way up to 4%. So this is just one. So ingon ana kadako ang atong potential. And today, just a little tip. The good news is that most of the selling activity we are doing here are online. Now, let me share to you these four online channels that most of the real estate agentpreneur is using. Of course, Facebook. I believe siguro kita tanan, we already have Facebook. You can use the wall, the page, the stories, the reels, the groups, the marketplace. E- Explore everything. That's free anyway. Karon uso na kayo ang video. Nya kanang video na imong ginagamit, imong magkuha kag video sa mga property, pwede nimo na siya ibutang sa YouTube, pwede nimo ibutang sa TikTok, pwede nimo ibutang sa Instagram Reels. And those things actually gain followers. Then do na tayo mga property listing portals like Lamudi.property. Anyway, you will be introduced to that platform eventually. Akong punto is this. Online ang usa sa mode of doing business. And I believe all of us is already online. So, unsa pa man ang imong hulaton, you are already online, di ba? So that's the first, selling. The second one is you are going to build your best team. And how are you going to build your best team? Of course, by recruiting people, no? Dili man ka maka-build og team kung dili ka mag-recruit og mga tao. Now, let me share you some tips. This is the four effective ways for you to build a power team, no? Your real estate agentpreneur power team. So, saan man nimo? Number one, attract like-minded individuals with a clear vision. Kanang mga pulubi mindset na mga tao, ayaw na na ako rekruta. Pag-recruit og tao na dunay mentalidad na sama nimo, na klaro ang mga pangandoy sa kinabuhi ba? Then gamita ang digital platforms para maka-recruit ka og mahimong part sa imong team. Because ikaw mismo gani na-recruit man ka through the digital platforms. So mausad ang gamita. Kanang imong team na imong nahinay-hinay og tapok, unsa man imong buhaton ana? Imo na silang i-train, imo silang i-empower para mo duplicate. Mag-provide ka ikaw mismo, upline, provide ka og constant training. Abi nimo kining training na naata, this is available to everyone. So while dili pa ka kamao mo train sa ilaha, join with the training para ikaw one day you will be able to know how to conduct the training. And lastly, in order na masolid ang imuhang team, you build that strong relationship inside the team. Dili lang mo because of dunay transaction na makita lang mo og dunay halin, mangumusta lang ka kung dunay reservation. No, be in touch with your team, be in touch with your power team, with your downlines. If you remember these four, I promise you, you will be able to build a team. So, unsa may reward if you're going to build a team? Now, this is the reward. When you build a team, you will be able to climb the ladder of success. And sooner than later, your team becomes bigger and bigger. So, unsa may benefit? The moment mudako ang imong team, makat-on, matrain sila, unya manghalin, one day you will become a supervisor. When you become a supervisor, your potential income will now be at 75,000 pesos. By the way, the details of the marketing plan will be explained to you during the onboarding session, the mechanics of it. Okay? What I'm sharing to you is the overview. After you climb the supervisor, you become a manager. When you become a manager, your potential income will now be at 235,000 pesos. Dako na kay na. How much more you become a consultant? That's already a half a million pesos in total commission. Today, we are joined by a few of our consultants. We have Mel Berdan, we have Sheila Iscasinas, we have Maricel Sungahid. Who else? Our consultants that are here. No, so this is the potential of the business. My point here is this: be intentional in getting people into the business. Every Tuesday, every Thursday, dapat na agyo kay madala diha na bahalag isa ka tawo lang para sa recruitment. Because bahalag pa isa-isa nimo ginaad sa imong team, madugay magkadaghan o magkadako na. It's just a matter of time. Okay? So I'm done. I'm done with my presentation. And that is what is at stake to you here. Now, the decision lies in your hand. You know your situation better than I do. So busa hunahuna lang ni. Kung gusto ka mo succeed sa life, you have to make a decision. no? It will always begins in there. So what will happen if you can make a decision? No, these are the accreditation process para you will know what's next. Okay. Now, after number one, no, agentpreneur business orientation, after you make the choice and the decision that you wanted to do this business, you will have a one-on-one interview with your upline, katong nag-recruit nimo, together sa iyahang supervisors, manager, and consultants, kung naamang gani, and you can do that via Zoom. Okay? Pwede na mo mag-Zoom. Now, after the one-on-one interview, you are going to sign a service agreement form. Okay. Now, the service agreement form, naa dito ang mga initial na mga things to do isip usa ka agentpreneur. Now, asa nimo makuha ang kopya sa service agreement? Katong link na inyohang gisudlan o niya naman toy galaray dito nga mga Zoom link and everything. Tanawa tong service agreement. So imo tong i-click, ma-download ra nimo. Okay? Downloadable na siya. Then after siya mo pirma sa service agreement, mo attend siya onboarding class. Kay kinahanglan gid siya mo attend og onboarding class. Kay diha man siya maka-learn sa tuang sales process, branding sa tuang kaugalingon, the products and the projects that we're going to sell, and of course the system na nata. After that, your upline will make a recommendation to us for activation of the dashboard. We will not activate unless the service agreement is signed and you are able to attend the onboarding class. That's the time that you're going to have your dashboard activated. So, unsa may naa sulod sa dashboard? Number one, naa dito ang tools para makita nimo imong downline. So, that's how important it is. Makita nimo imong downline. Ikaduha, makita nimo ang record sa imong halin po dito sa dashboard. Number three, ang pinaka-importante tanan, sulod sa dashboard. Again, posbon ko, sulod sa dashboard, naa dito ang details sa tanan nga mga projects na gusto nimo ibaligya Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Okay? Posbon ako, sulod sa dashboard, naa dito ang mga information mahitungod sa project na gusto nimong ibaligya Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Okay? So, mo na ang tibuok process. Okay? Then after that, you fill up the affiliation form. That's the online details. Kaya mao man ni ato ang basihan para paghimo sa imuhang dashboard. Okay? So after maka-attend atong onboarding, then after atong onboarding, fill up din kaning affiliate form para for the making of your dashboard. Okay? Remember, walay bayaran. So I guess that's it, no? I'm done with my presentation. By the way, before you leave, kindly like the page, the 818 Premier Properties Incorporated. Mauna ang pictures sa profile pictures niya. Please like and follow para makareceive mo og mga updates. Okay? So I will leave the floor for question and answer now. Okay? Kung maulaw mo, pwede ra jud ninyo i-type ang inyong question. Kung dili maulaw, i-open ang mic. Okay, question. Ganina 22 man to, 60 naman lang ron. Nang lakaw nang ipulan tos kuntingog. Question guys, do you have any questions? Ato ning i-down B para magkikita-kita ta. Yan. Oh, Lizelle. Is that Lizelle? Hello, Lizelle. Question. Klaro ra ba? Nasabtan ra? Duha ra man ang reason nganong dili mangutana. It's either nasabtan or wala jud masabti at all. Okay. So I would not hold you long, no, because ang uban siguro is manihapon pa, and at the same time ang uban pod is early to rest for tomorrow's work. Daghang salamat sa inyong oras na gigahin. I hope you will find the business appealing. And if you wanted to listen to it again, please do so. The schedule is open for everybody. Thank you and God bless you all. Bye-bye.